how you can improve your head arcs. Our head controls center is here. So when the head turns like this and this, the center remains the same. So there is no tracking of any distance, and that is why by just using this method, it's going to be impossible for you to track your head direction like the arcs and all. Then this is not the right way. Let me show you the right way. You need to first create a locator. I'll go to create locator. Now I need to snap the locator onto the nose, because nose is the outermost part and this can show you the best arcs of your head. Now whatever your animation is on your head, you need to get that animation on your locator. So for that we need to select the head control and then the locator, and then go to constraint, parent constraint box. Make sure the maintain offset is on and add. First I'll make sure when I'm hitting a key, the blend parent is 1. I need to make sure that everywhere I have keys on the locator also. Now can you see? You can see the transition of your nose and your head. Now you have to go select your locator, go to visualize editable motion trial, and now you will be able to track your head arcs. This is how your head is having the motion, and here you can add few points if you want. Now you can animate your head and adjust the head arcs. This is very crucial for improving your head animation, taking the leads and refining the arcs. If you really like this video, share it among your friends and follow me for more such videos.